So now we are in the Kali Linux machine, and here as a Windows user you can see this is a graphical user interface, and if you didn't know what is a graphical user interface, this is how it looks like. But as a hacker you must know how to use your command line, because we are not going to manually do everything and use the graphical user interface. So now if you didn't know what is a command line, so let me show you right now. So if you click anywhere in your desktop screen, you can see something popped up. We have multiple options here, and to create document, to create folder, but we are not going to use any of these, as we are going to explore all these options in our further lectures. In this lecture we are going to explore about navigating all the directories, files and branches of our Kali Linux system. So let's open the terminal right there. So as you can see, here is a option open terminal. Here we just have to click on this. As you can see, I have opened this terminal on the desktop, and here desktop is written. But what is this Kali means? So the first Kali is our username that we have entered during login credentials. Then we have Kali, that is the name of this machine. Then we have some tilde sign, slash sign and desktop sign. This tilde sign means that we are in the home directory, and then we are in the Kali directory, and then we are opened with desktop directory. So let's check the present working directory. So to check present working directory, you have to type a command, that is pwd. So as we entered the command pwd, you can see it is written we are in the home directory, then we are in the Kali directory, then we are in the desktop directory, as I have shown you. So as you can see here, when I open this desktop and click on the location, you can see the same output here as well, home, Kali and the desktop, right? So let's close this from here, and now you are in the Kali directory, but you want to go to the other directories as well. For example, you want to go to the music directory, or you want to go to the documents directory. But as we have opened the terminal on our desktop, and now you want to change your directory, what command do you prefer? We prefer cd. Cd means change directory. So we type the command cd, and we wanted to go in the music directory, and as we click entered, and here we encounter our first error. That means no such directory present in this directory. So what does this mean? So as you know, we are in the desktop directory right now, and in the desktop directory there is no music directory present, and we were changing a directory to music, and there was no music directory present in desktop directory. So how would you navigate to that? So as you can see here, the music directory is present in the Kali directory, and we came from Kali directory to the desktop. As you can see in the present working directory command, we are in the desktop directory which is present in the Kali directory, and we want to go back to the Kali directory, and to go back we type command cd ... and then as you can see, after entering the command pwd, we are in the Kali. Now as you know, the music directory is present in the Kali directory. You just simply type cd and music, and here you can see you are present in the music directory, that is inside of Kali directory. But you did it using this graphical user interface, because you didn't know that music directory is present in the Kali directory using that terminal, right? So to know what directory is present in which directory, you have a command, that is ls, to list all the directories present. So we just simply go back in the Kali directory and type ls. And as you can see, in the Kali directory there is a desktop directory, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates and videos. So since we now know through our command line that in the Kali directory the music directory is present, and we wanted to go to the music directory, so we just simply type cd and music, and here we are in the music directory. So now we know that how to go back to the previous directory, but how much back you can go? So as you remember, when we entered this terminal, we were present in the home and Kali directory. That was a default. But have you ever wondered how back we can go? So just type cd ... Now to check in which directory we are, we type pwd, that is home and Kali directory. Again we type cd dot dot. Now we are present in the home directory as it is written here. Now we again type command cd dot dot and we are in the slash directory. There is no further going back from here, and in the slash directory all the important files, all the libraries, all the software settings are present in this directory. And don't ever delete anything from this directory, because if you perform a delete operation, everything will be shattered to pieces. So if you ever perform any deleting operation in this directory, everything will be shattered to the pieces. So don't ever do that. So as you can see, we are in the slash directory, and now we want to know in this directory how many directories are available and which directory we can explore. So just type ls command here. And as you can see here, many directories and files are present. How do we know what are files and what are directories? So as you can see, usually files are in white color or in some other colors as well. But if we want to go to any file, suppose we want to go to the init rd.image and we type, but this is not a directory, so the error appeared. But now if we want to go to the cd etc, now we are in the etc directory, and if you want to know what's inside this directory, you just simply type command ls. So just type command ls, and damn, we have a lot of files, directories, certificates, configuration files, libraries and much more present in this directory. And suppose you somewhere lost in the terminal, but now you want to go back to your home and Kali directory. How would you navigate yourself through that? So as you remember, we came here from the slash directory. So just type cd dot dot. As you can see, we are in the slash directory right now. Plus ls command to list all the present working directories here, and as you can see here, the home directory is present where we came from. So just type cd home. List again all the directories, and as you can see, we have Kali here, right? So just type cd Kali, and now we are in our Kali directory. So now you know how to list all the directories or files present in it, but there are some hidden files or directories that you cannot see through this simple ls command. What command you have to use to see those hidden files? So the command is ls-a. So as you can see, we have a lot of directories here, and when we type ls, we have only few directories present like desktop, music, pictures and all. But when you type ls-a, we have a lot of hidden files present here. And just like this, you can use these commands to list your directories, change your directories, go back to your directories. And now we have done the full tutorial of exploring and navigating through our directories using our terminal and command line. And hope you have learned everything I have showed in this lecture. And if you get any error, just keep practicing. You will get better.